The white-winged fairy wren, Malurus leucopterus, is a species of passerine bird in the Australasian wren family Maluridae. It lives in the drier parts of central Australia, from central Queensland and South Australia across to Western Australia. Like other fairywrens, this species displays marked sexual dimorphism, and one or more males of a social group grow brightly colored plumage during the breeding season. The female is sandy brown with light blue tail feathers. It is smaller than the male, which in breeding plumage has a bright blue body, black bill and white wings. Younger sexually, mature males are almost indistinguishable from females and are often the breeding males. In spring and summer, a troop of white-winged fairywrens has a brightly colored older male, accompanied by small, inconspicuous brown birds, many of which are also male. 3 subspecies are recognized. Apart from the mainland subspecies, one is found on Dirk Hartog Island and another on Barrow Island off the coast of Western Australia. Males from these islands have black, rather than blue breeding plumage. The white-winged farrier and mainly eats insects, supplementing this with small fruits and leaf buds. It occurs in heathland and arid scrubland, where low shrubs provide cover. Like other fairywrens, it is a cooperative breeding species, and small groups of birds maintain and defend territories year-round. Groups consist of a socially monogamous pair, with several helper birds who assist in raising the young. These helpers are progeny that have attained sexual maturity but remain with the family group for 1 or more years after fledging. Although not yet confirmed genetically, the white-winged fairywren may be promiscuous and assist in raising the young from other pairings. As part of a courtship display, the male wren plucks petals from flowers and displays them to female birds, measuring 11 to 13.5 centimeters, 4.3 to 5.3 in length. White-winged fairywrens are one of the 2 smallest species of Malurus. Males typically weigh between 7.2 and 10.9 grams, 0.25 and 0.38 ounces, while females weigh between 6.8 and 11 grams, 0.24 and 0.39 US. Averaging 8.5 millimeters, 0.3 in males, and 8.4 millimeters, 0.3 in females. The bill is relatively long, narrow and pointed, and wider at the base, wider than it is deep. The bill is similar in shape to those of other birds that feed by probing fur or picking insects off their environs. It is finer and more pointed in this species than in other fairy realms. Fully mature adults are sexually dimorphic, with the male being larger and differing in color from the female. The adult female is sandy brown with a very light blue tail and a pinkish buff bill. The male in breeding plumage has a black bill, white wing, and shoulders and